Good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is James again. It is Thursday, April 2nd. It is now 10:38 a.m. We're going to do the walk around video on this 993 C2S. It's a 1998 ocean blue metallic. It is a beautiful car. As you can see, I love the color of this car. It grows on me more and more. We'll try to do some close-ups. It does have some minor rock chips in the front. I don't even know if the camera will pick it up, but we'll try. See that? Do an interior from the passenger side for you. It's got the Rinline phone mount already ready for you. Doors, seats, I'll show you that they do work as well. Back seats. And inside from the driver's cabin. There's your miles. All right, this concludes my video. If you have any questions about this car, just contact me. Be glad to answer any. Have a great day.